Welcome to my channel. Best ways to make your Wi-Fi faster in 2026. 1. Restart your router regularly. Turn off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on. This clears small bugs and refreshes your internet connection for better speed. 2. Place router in the right spot. Keep the router in the center of your home and away from walls, TVs, and metal objects. A better location improves Wi-Fi signal strength. 3. Upgrade to Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7. New routers with Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 give faster speed, lower lag, and better performance for multiple devices in 2026. 4. Change your Wi-Fi channel. Too many nearby networks can slow your internet. Change the Wi-Fi channel in router settings to reduce signal interference. 5. Use the 5 GHz band. Connect devices to the 5 GHz network instead of 2.4 GHz for faster speed and smoother streaming or gaming. 6. Remove unused connected devices. Too many connected devices reduce Wi-Fi speed. Disconnect devices you are not using to improve performance. 7. Update router firmware. Router companies release updates to fix bugs and improve speed. Check router settings and install the latest firmware update. 8. Use a mesh Wi-Fi system. Large homes may have weak signal areas. A mesh Wi-Fi system helps spread strong internet coverage to every room. 9. Secure your Wi-Fi password. If unknown people use your Wi-Fi, your speed can become slow. Use a strong password and WPA3 security for protection. 10. Use Ethernet for important devices. For gaming PCs, smart TVs, or office work, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for the fastest and most stable internet connection. Thanks for watching.